So what happened today? I started recording, and my computer crashed because my battery ran out and I didn't have it plugged in. So I lost all of that footage. In short, we have started with this bunch of code over here. We have rewritten it over here. Windmill, get first hit point, and spin coordinate system and set new center. And this big class, it's a circle class, and you can get circle intersect. Now the problem here is that first we start with that, we end with that, and the first problem is that you should also end with a 0, 0 somewhere, because for example I think this one should be 0, 0, but it's not. So let us over here, let us print out the change in all y. Change in all y. Oh, and by the way, that also spirals out that like in the end, before the on the unbound local error, we get 4 exactly the same points. They somehow merge into one exact same point, which is kind of discouraging, you know. Here we say, that, so that is minus 2, 2, but I think this thing is kind of a wrong thing going on, because let's see, like print hit point is hit point and change in y is change in all y. We quit, we go back again. Oh, save that, import again. That actually works. So we say hit point is that and change is minus 2 times something. Alright, that sounds right. So let us change and print all points have been spinned, and this is now the new list of points. Quit Python 3 from triangulation windmill, and we have all points have been spinned. 0, 0 is still at 0, 0, and this one is at 0, 0. So now this should become 0, 0, but it doesn't, because it's it's here it should say plus change in all y. So what is it? Plus, minus, you know? So change, just a change. Is it always minus? No, it's not always minus. Sometimes it's minus, sometimes it's plus, you know? Because if the new point is over here, it goes every y does, what does do? Every y says minus I don't know, 2 point something. But if it's here, every y goes up. You know? Yeah. So we gotta fix that. Where we say there's the change is, so change in all y, we use absolute value. Alright. And then we gotta kind of if point equals hit point. Yeah, but nah, erase that. So here we say list of points and say if point equals hit point. Then we say if hit point x is, so what is it? Fuck. First we got new image of point is, so we take new list of points and then we pick up a certain index, which is list of points, and we pick up point. No, fuck. List of points dot index of point or hit point. Then we say if new image of points x. Are we interested in x or just in y? So if y is above 0, we say that change in all y is new image of point y, no, 1, say minus, so that times -1. Then say else if new image of point 0 is more is less than 0, and say change in all y equals new image of point 1, and just absolute value of that. In the end it is added. Alright, so let's check that unruly mess we've made. Okay, we got What? Degrees traversed. Oh, I got. It actually goes to the end. Oh. So it returns 6. Or what? And change hit point is that, and change in Y is 0. And by the way, 6 is not the correct answer, because the correct answer, the output should be 9. But I understand, because here it says hit point is that, and the change of Y is that. So I just say new image of point. What's the new image of point? Yeah, fuck you. The change in Y is 0. And then I say print. Oh, of course. Spaghetti code. Yeah, now we gotta fuck. So hit point is that, and the change. All right, so that's right. All points have been spinned. That's still a 0 0. That's it there. That's it there, and this motherfucker is over here. And in the end, nice, we got it over here. That's over here. It's over there. That's really nice. But it goes to line 1 2 2. List of points. All right, and so it wants to spin it. And we go to 7 9. And at 7 9, new list of points, append new point. It says local variable new point referenced before assignment. So what it says is that none of this is that it doesn't fit in any one of those, apparently, because it just says local variable new point referenced before assignment, which basically means that it hasn't yet been declared. Why? Are there any print statements? No. Alright, so we say print point. Alright, and say quit. Fuck. Say quit Python 3. Hit point is that. So we start while here. Yeah, I'm back. So we got over here. Say local variable new point reference before assignment for that point. So the first thing is the first thing, point 0 is 0. Yes. Oh, and it's another there's another conditional. If circle intersections oh, okay. So let's print out the point, and then also let's print out circle intersections. Circle intersections are this one and that one, which is really funny because so those are the points which I do not know which is the first hit point. It's probably like this one. This is the center point, and so over here we say both is the same y, one is, and the both and one y. This is very fuck. Alright, so apparently, so let's see how, if this is right. Let's go to our DAY76. Yeah, let's open it over here, let's open it over there. Math tools, graphing calculator. So we say, fuck, 1 point A is, what we're reading from here, right? From under the blue line. It says A is 0 and 2.23607. Fuck. 607, and it's 2 point, right? Still not cool. Function A is not defined. How is it not fucking defined? How about you go fuck yourself, you know? Function. Oh, function. It's seeing it as a function. What about now? Points may only have 2 coordinates. What about now? Alright. So we read there. The first point, alright. The second point, what's going on with the second point is 1.34164. The second, oh fuck. There should be point. Alright, and the second one is 4.02492. Oh my god, they give me shit because of this. Alright, so next one is minus something. Is minus 1.78885. So that is now, I don't know, a line, I guess. And this one's line is 3.57770999997 in the end. Doesn't really matter. Oh, and this one is at 0, 0. Alright, oh. So these are our new points. And if you say y equals k plus n, and is not really needed here. It should be 0. Fuck you, bitch, be 0. Why isn't it 0? It should be over here. Oh, okay. I see what's up. Alright. Stupid and be 0. Fuck. Yeah. So we're over here, and the first thing we come upon is this one. And this point is for sure not this one. Here. So let's just see. Hit point is print. Hit point equals hit point. Just to quit. Python 3 triangulation of the humanation windmill. Hit point is 1, 2. Yeah. Is this the right one? Yeah, that's the right one. So it's as we go over here, we try to move this one for this angle. So this should be somewhere around here now. Like, and it should pick the one with the lower y. But apparently both y's are the same. So in that case we say pick the one with the lower x. Here. Oh. It's an empty print statement right over there. If circle intersections x is larger than circle intersections the first, pick the one with the bigger x. Yo, that meat is really bubbly. Let's turn it down. Alright, so I turned down the fucking bolognese, and here we say if point, if like y is 0, so y is 0. If point, so we say this point y is 0, and we compare the axis, and this one should be chosen. No, that one should be chosen. But is it really so? And that gives me a confused look on my face. It goes over here, but I bet it doesn't go over here, because it says if circle 0 if circle intersections the first one and that is bigger, if that is bigger than that, then do that. So I guess we gotta do it the other way, where we say else. Yeah, but that's another thing, like, cause you are we should be like, if this is cham, if this goes like, no, it just goes like boom over here, that one moves over here, and the new point, or is that arrow, and so that goes cham is over here. The new point should be over here, no, over there, over here or over there. That's confusing also. Let's just say else new point circle intersections, and just the first one. And that may be that I may be a mole who's digging in a hole right now. Oh, we got 8 of them. So if we just say cumulative hits instead of -1, if we just do that, and we say quit, and we say Python and triangulation and windmill, it says 9. Alright, so if we just copy all of that, paste it over here, now you shall see all of our those tests shall be green. Oh, why not? Test passes, example tests. So this one passes. 4 should equal 2. Oh, we also got for this one. Alright. So for this it's 4, but for that it should equal 2. Okay, why? Why? So we start while with this hit point. Oh fuck, it recognizes that as a hit point. Oh my god. That's so unprofessional, you know? Fuck. Why are you recognizing hit point? Fuck. Get first hit point. For every that. So do we have to now make like some kind of a again like a one big ass if point is 0 0, then you just skip it all. Fuck. Just say pass, else do that. That shall probably, yeah, it shall say it's invalid syntax, but because of the equal sign. Now 3 should equal 2, and now also this one 7 should equal 9. That's just like lucky thing, and I shall stop dealing with that for today. maybe rewrite it another day, you know, to get more clear into my head. So thank you for watching, have a good one.